Naging video yan. Nagdyan yung video. Mami, pwede pala dyan yung video sa YouTube sa akin.
Pwede rin?
Oo. May pwede ging video. Pwede siya ging video. Pwede siya ging screen nina. No, but
Hey, sis. The nurse handed me Dad's medical order last night.
yan ako.
I'll find a part-time job. How about you stay focused on your studies? I'll take care of it.
Ami, tingnan mo, nakiga na ako dyan.